Here I've got Orange Fova, and let me show you how to enable power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should scroll down and click on battery saver. And now you can simply enable it by tapping on this switcher, so click on, and just now it has been activated. You can obviously select some options, so for example you can disable Bluetooth, CPU power, GPS, display brightness, so it will reduce screen brightness, vibration, turn vibration feedback, data connection, and auto saving mode. So it's up to you which options you will choose. Just adjust it to your needs and preferences, and actually that's it. Then you can switch off your power saving mode by tapping on the same icon. You can also have a quick access to this mode. Just slide down the upper bar, click over here to open the options, and then tap on power saver. And that's it. It has been also activated right now. Then if you would like to turn it off, click on the same switcher one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.